What's happening, everyone? My name is Phil with ThinkMakeDo, and I want to give you an update on our triplex renovation project because we are getting pretty close to completion. I'd say about 95%, and maybe only 2-3 weeks left to go for the first main house. So let's turn this around and show you what we got. All right. First thing front and center, we have electronic door locks. Maybe you've seen the video already, but that's what that does. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Well, okay. It's a bit of a mess in the living room because it's been our staging area, but pretty much all our major painting, drywall, trim, flooring, appliance installation, kitchen work, lighting work, it's all pretty much done. The rest now are the finishing touches, and the finishing touches are a lot. Still not done with this master bath. It's still in progress. We didn't get the bathtubs till a few weeks ago, so we couldn't actually start the renovation process here. And vanities are installed, toilets haven't gone in yet. There's a baseboard trim that needs to go around the entire bathroom on the floors, mirror, but it's almost there. The bedrooms are all pretty much complete. There are some touch-up work, right? You see that there are some areas that need to be repainted, but the windows are in, blinds are being figured out. All the electrical, the lighting, everything works. We have the closets installed. I got a trim piece I need to put at the top to make it a little bit prettier, if you will. So that's gonna happen here in the next couple days. And let's see. There's this abomination of a closet with these huge gaps on either side. That's a video all in itself, but I have to redo some of these bolsters that I made to reduce the gap. And then figure out a way to make this look straight because the walls aren't that straight, but I'll figure that one out here in a little bit. Maybe some light will help you to see the problem. You'll see there's a huge gap here at the top. Not so much gap here at the bottom. This door needs to be adjusted like this, and then I can see which side needs more adjustment in terms of these side bolsters. And then this piece of framing will go and cover, hopefully, all of it and make it look not that ugly. That's the plan anyway. Moving on to the kitchen. Kitchen's actually pretty good. The pantry might need a coat of paint, and then I need to install all of the, what do you call it? All the shelves that will go in here. It's gonna be, I think, a 24-inch deep rack, like metal rack. I'll do a video on that when I get the parts for it. And then we have the kitchen itself. So the granite got installed, cabinets are lined up. We have subway tile going about 24 inches high all the way across here. Subway tile going all the way to the top of the vent here, and then only up to here, about 16 inches, because this door edge is preventing us from going further, and I don't think I can push this thing out, this door out, much further to accommodate. There's just not enough space. We've got a soffit box up there for the vent hood. That's done. We do have to raise up this stove, maybe about a ½ inch, by twisting the knobs at the bottom to get this thing level with the rest of our kitchen. That's not too big of a problem. And all the subway tile obviously needs grout. So the guys are preparing right now by cleaning out all the grout lines with this little tool. You just got to go back and forth. Very tedious, annoying process. That has to happen. And then, if you see the bottoms here, we need kick plates all along the bottom here to cover up all the gaps and holes and everything else. Moving along to our corner, or our guest bathroom with a corner shower. Obviously the shower is mostly complete, but all the trim and the silicone and the fixtures haven't been finished yet. We have some drywall that we still need to fix. When we were getting the shower installed, we had to remove the concrete board or the hardy backer. So now I just put it back in place. The sink is in. Need to put in a built-in, what do you call this thing? Medicine cabinet mirror thing on this side, and then find a mirror here. But same thing as the other bathroom. The floorboards or the baseboards need to go in all around. Some of this trim needs to be sanded and painted, and then we should be good to go. And that's pretty much it. The rest of the home needs the same thing throughout. There are little pieces of tape we put up all over the place. So say like right up there, and that indicates a spot where the paint has chipped or we ran into it or it needs some kind of touch up. So there's little dots all over the house. One right there, one right there, a couple up there, right? Something over there. Places where something has happened and we need to sand, maybe apply some more mud, and then repaint to get it to a showroom quality finish. So that all needs to happen. It might only be about 3 more weeks to go before we are done. So hopefully you guys are subscribed and have your notifications on to check us out on the next one, when we either do our finishing touches or show you the completed product and all this crap removed from the house. All right.